Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. As you know, this week is the last week of Christmas balloon garlands. No more Christmas until next year. I am moving on to New Year's and Valentine's Day balloon garlands. So if you have any suggestions on New Year's colors, leave them in the comment section below. And to wrap up this week, I am reviewing another product from Shimmer and Confetty, another balloon garland. I am pretty excited. Just a quick reminder for those who forgot or who's new here. You might know this, you might not. So I dedicated Saturdays strictly for reviews. I am reviewing any product that companies send me and I agree to review. So today is the balloon garland from Shimmer and Confetty. They did send me this kit. They told me what they're gonna send and I can't remember. I even opened the box to remind myself what kind of balloon garland I am reviewing, and I can't remember. So it's gonna be a surprise. Everything I will be using in this video, I will link in the description under the video, so go ahead and check it out. And without any further ado, let's go. Here is what you will receive from Shimmer and Confetty when you'll purchase your kit. So let's open this up and see what's inside. First things first, we have instructions of how to make your balloon garland and this caution that this is not for children and things like that. Moving on, this is a bag of artificial leaves. I am excited to see this. We have a bag of balloons. So this is rose, gold, burgundy, and green color balloons. I feel like these are 12-inch balloons by looking at it. Then we have another bag with smaller size balloons in the same color palette like our bigger size balloons. Next, we have a spoolie with a fishing line. I love when companies give you an option, either, fishing line or balloon strip. Perfect. Roll of glue dots and of course, hand pump. I am ready to blow all of my balloons. You guys, since I am reviewing the whole kit, I will be using my balloon strip to construct my garland. So I am blowing my balloons individually using my balloon tying tool to tie every balloon individually. Please use balloon tying tool because this tiny thing, it's not expensive and it will save your fingers from having blisters. I went through that. I know what it is. I know how long your fingers will hurt after taking your skin off and having blisters. So purchase yourself a balloon tying tool. So I'm blowing each balloon individually and tying each balloon individually. After I am done blowing my balloon, I am pressing my balloon against the floor to give it more rounder shape. My all-time favorite show is Making It. I am catching up with episodes, so Making It is on. Let's blow our balloons. By the way, I am using electric balloon pump to save some time. You can use your hand pump that is included in the kit. It will take you a little bit longer, but it will be done. To construct our balloon garland, but first things first, I am obsessed with this color scheme. It looks beautiful, just this alone, without those leaves that they included in the kit. This kit will be just perfect for Christmas, isn't it? It just, love it. So now let's construct our balloon garland. So as you can see, this strip has 2 holes. So we're starting with our bigger hole. I am inserting a balloon into a bigger hole. Now I am sliding my balloon. Make sure your knot is completely through. Now I'm sliding my balloon through this little opening into a smaller hole and let it go. That's it. That's all you need to do. Now I am inserting all of my balloons on one side. I am not twisting my strip and alternating sides. You don't have to. As soon as you start inserting your balloons further and further into your strip and balloons will start twisting by themselves. So you don't have to flip your strip. When you will see that your balloons are starting to pop out of these holes, that means that it's time to skip a hole. I can't give you an exact pattern, when to skip holes, but you just need to see and feel your balloon garland yourself. They start pop out, you skip a hole. Alright, so my balloon garland is on. How I hang all of my garlands. I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands, and there in that video I do show an up close how I hang all of my garlands using my backdrop and fabric, and how I hang all of my garlands using command hooks. So if you're interested in that kind of information, go check that video out. I quickly wanted to mention this strip that Shimmer and Confetty included in their kit. I love this strip. I usually don't stop and talk about strips. Strip is a strip, whatever. No, there's different qualities of strips. You won't believe it. It's wide. The plastic in this strip is thick enough. It gives me a lot of control. It doesn't slip, it doesn't bend. I don't have to catch it, and it's perfect. Some strips are way too soft and way too flexible, and it's a nightmare to work with a strip like that. If you remember one video that I posted, least expensive balloon garland versus most expensive balloon garland. Well, guess what? The most expensive balloon garland had a strip that is way too thin and way too flexible. It was like a ribbon. And I had such a hard time controlling that strip. It was bad. I will link that video in the description under the video as well, so you can check it out yourself. And you guys, some strips are way too plasticky that when you bend, fold it in half, and they can snap on you. This one, it's flexible, it's wide enough, I have enough control, it doesn't snap on me, it doesn't rip. I mean, A+ Shimmer and Confetty. The rest is easy. Now we're taking our glue dots and taking our loose balloons that we didn't include in our balloon strip and starting to fill in spaces on our garland. I am using more than one glue dot per balloon to make sure they will stay on my garland and they will not go anywhere. our green vines, I received 3 long pieces, so you can always cut them in sections and use a section. I'm not sure what I want to do. I think I want to cut them in smaller pieces and attach them somewhere at the bottom. We'll see. What I would do with these greeneries, I would take glue dots, put them on my leaves, and then with that leaf, with the glue dot, glue it onto my balloon. I can't do that because I ran out of glue dots. It was enough glue dots to complete the whole garland, but not enough glue dots to attach these guys. You can also, you know, push these greeneries between balloons, and the weight of balloons will hold these vines. So let's try it out. To use my LED uplighting, I used to use these guys in every single video. Whenever I made another backdrop, I would uplight my, you know, fabric, and it looked so good. And then I stopped using them for some reason. I don't know why. I did not a review, but kind of I showed you in one of the videos how I use my lights, how I set them up, how I turn them on, and things like that. I will link that video in the description under the video. And I couldn't find exactly the same lights that I have here. I found something similar, and I will link them in the description under the video as well. So let's go and set them up. Hey guys, you might see a light right here blinking on and off. That's just because these lights, they've been through so much. They are very old, and plus I need to change a cord because probably it's not connecting properly. This is it, you guys. Here is what I have for you today. This is my take on this Shimmer and Confetti balloon garland kit. You guys, I am completely and totally in love with the whole thing. I am loving this color scheme. I love this greenery right here. It reminds me of Enchanted Forest, but in fall season. I don't know why. Plus, if you don't want to use this greenery right here, you can use just balloon garland, and it will be a perfect decoration for your Christmas decor. I don't know. I feel like these colors are perfect not only for any other party, this will be perfect for Christmas as well. You guys, quality is wonderful. Quality is great. I had no problems working with any of the balloons. It was very easy to tie knots on these balloons, and I only lost 2 balloons, one 5-inch and one 12-inch. I had enough glue dots to attach every single balloon to my base, but then I had to pull out some of my glue dots, extra glue dots, and attach these greeneries to my balloons. As you can see here, it's not really focusing, but I took a glue dot, put it on one of the leaves, and just pressed firmly to the balloon, and these greeneries are holding on my garland really good. I will link and list everything in the description under the video. Go ahead and check it out, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. This is it, you guys. This is my take on this Shimmer and Confetti balloon garland. Let me know what you think about this kit. Do you like it? Do you have any additional questions? Leave everything in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to help you out and answer them all to the best of my abilities. Sometimes comments do get lost. If I don't answer, that means I didn't see your comments. 98% of all comments I do answer basically in 24 hours, and then some comments I do find like after 3 days, 4 days later, they just pop up and I'm like, from where? Anyways, I will try to answer. I do like to communicate with you guys through comments, so don't forget to come by and say hi as well. If you liked this video, if it was fun to watch, if you enjoyed it, if it was inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos and just join our fun and creative family. I hope you'll have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!